Hey BMW world, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Oh, by the way, in case you haven't yet subscribed, feel free to pause this video for 1 second and hit that subscribe button. So today we'll be looking at extending your cargo bay area or creating more room in the luggage compartment of your BMW Coupe. So to start, let's open the luggage compartment lid and locate the 2 levers in the boot. You see them? Let's just zoom into them. That one right there and that one. So once you've located them, pull them to release the corresponding rear seat backrest. So now that the rear seat backrests are unlocked, let's head over to the front. Adjust the backrest of the front seats to gain access to the back of the car. That's what we are looking at. That's what we're trying to get access to. So you can now lower the backrest of the rear seats. Let's go to the other side as well and fold the backrest all the way down. Okay, now that that's done, let's go to the back and see how much room we have created in the luggage compartment. There you can see it, probably twice the size it was before. So restore the backrest of the front seats into their upright position, and once you've done that, you can now go ahead and load your car with the luggage. But just a caution, just be mindful not to exceed the maximum weight that the car can carry. Okay, so now let's look at what other options you have, what other provisions you have inside that cargo bay area. You can take advantage of the net to secure smaller objects. Then you can also see the hooks there. There's a compartment here on the left side that's for CDs and tissue if you like, and a lot of other. So just explore those and see how they can help you. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe once again. You can also check us out on your favorite social media website. See you again soon. Bye.